out here, get out.
Hurlthorne Castle West, 25 please. Hurlthorne Castle West, 55 please for the first half.
Have a good shot. Don't even say anything, just go on in here. Stay tight, stay tight. Noah, stay tight. No, you go pace on in. Noah. Give. Give it. Give. Hey, Effie, just give that pass once or twice. Wait, Case. Case. Let's go, get your spacings right. Joel. Wider, keep coming. And again, Scroops. Case. Right side, every time. We're defending now, come on.
Come back!
Casey, you're going to make up, you made the edit, come on.
Not on the bandage! Go! Bandage through!
And following us back by Liam playing next on pitch number 1. And Stina Clark in their head. In the final for the girls' plate, Berwyn and Erbyn Bro team. Berwyn and Erbyn Bro team and Stina Clark in their head nesa at Caerdydd.
Straight out, sir, straight out.
Come on! Not here! Bandage, run it! You up to a young man, run it!
Let's go! Come on, spray!
Tap and pass, please, get it out, Effie. Don't carry. Pass! There we go, thank you.
Come on!
There, get with it.
Get
Early, give.
Tackle! Lock on! Lost it in the tackle!
Hey, for the pass, come on.
Thank you.
Big push.
No!
No, go back.
Hey, you've got to tee up now, that's 2 errors. Go, go! Just go straight, Case! Why is he going through? Hand! Hand! Give! Go on, Noah! Hey, we're making it hard work going up channel 1. We've got to pass the ball. Not good enough. Come on.
Which team you taking? Okay, okay.
Nice, Bruce. Out, out, out. Now. Boys, we've got to get that ball out. Noah, just hold up. Hold. Kill the clock. Noah, kick it. Go behind the post. Go. Screw. Go.
The Coronetta Archive came next on pitch number 1, and Rosenberger, the class method, Derwin and the Rotary. Playing the final video split next on pitch number 1, Derwin and the Rotary. You could be out the pitch side ready, apart the world and barrel.
Case. Too far, just hold. Hold, don't chase back on the 10. It's gone dead, don't worry. Hey, just keep killing the clock. Good boy.
Don't do it on purpose. Don't listen to him on the side. Right. Good lad.
Harry!
Well done, Harry.
Scoot, scoot, scoot!
Good, Jay. Keep pressuring.
Not that.
Lead her up, Case.
Relax. Rock on. Scrum. Scooby. You out. Blow. He's mixing the ball comes in before you push. Okay. Go ahead. Float. 5, 6. Push on that. You've gone. Yeah.
Nice, boys. Come on. Good sevens, Gwynafydd. Well done.
Nexus.
Keep working, Jay. Well done. Let's get under this side. All behind him.
Out wide.
Ward, Nexus.
Chill out.
Good. Alexis, why are you in front of him? He's on his knee. Why? Beautiful screw. Kieran, straight to him. Jockey run! Kieran, good with that. Hold it. Oh my God, you fell. Drop. Dylan, hold! Dylan! Stop!
Stay with him, Ben! Stay with him, Ben! Nice, yes! Yes, Ben! Well done, Gwynafydd! Good support, Ben! Well done, Ben!
Speed up.
Swap, Ben.
That's it, that's done. Well done, boys!
Well done, boys. Good effort.
Right, enjoy your birthday tomorrow.